Hi, I'm Sarah. Pleasure to make your acquaintance. Hello, Sarah. I'm John. Delighted to meet you as well. Thank you, John. I'm looking forward to getting to know you better. Likewise, Sarah. I believe we'll have a fruitful collaboration. Greetings, I'm Emily. It's a joy to be introduced to you. Greetings, Emily. I'm Michael. The pleasure is all mine. Thank you, Michael. I'm excited about the prospect of working together. I share your enthusiasm, Emily. I have high hopes for our partnership. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. It's great to finally put a face to the name. Absolutely. I've heard so much about you. It's a pleasure to meet you in person. Likewise, I'm looking forward to getting to know you better. Me too. I've heard you have some interesting stories to share. Well, I hope I can live up to the hype. Let's grab a coffee sometime and chat. That sounds like a plan. Nice to meet you, Alex. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm excited for what the future holds. Hello, I'm Mark. It's nice to meet you. Hi, Mark. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you too. I've heard great things about you. It's a pleasure to finally meet in person. Thank you. Likewise, I've been looking forward to meeting you as well. I'm excited to work together on this project. I think we'll make a great team. Absolutely. I've seen your previous work and I'm impressed. I think we can accomplish great things together. Thank you for your kind words. I'm confident that our collaboration will be a success. I feel the same way. Let's make the most of this opportunity and create something remarkable. Definitely. It was truly nice meeting you, Emily. Nice meeting you too, Mark. I'm excited for what's ahead. Hi there, I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure to meet you. Hi, Rachel. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too. I've heard a lot about your expertise in this field. It's great to finally connect. Thank you. The feeling is mutual. Your reputation precedes you, and I'm eager to learn from your experiences. I'm honored to be working alongside someone with your knowledge and skills. I believe we can achieve remarkable things together. I share the same sentiment. Collaboration is key, and I believe our complementary strengths will lead to great outcomes. I couldn't agree more. Let's seize this opportunity and make a positive impact. Absolutely. It was a pleasure meeting you. Rachel, I look forward to our journey ahead. Likewise, Alex, I'm confident that we will make a difference together.